As the fall season approaches, I'm getting a lot of questions about pottery and whether or not it can be left outside. You first want to make sure that you're using a frost-resistant pot like the ones we have here at Gasper. Most of our pottery that we purchase here is from Vietnam. The clay that they use in Vietnam specifically tends to produce some of the most frost-resistant pots because of the composition of the clay itself. There's a lower water content, which leads to less expanding of water that leads to breakages. You create all those little micro tears. But with the thicker Vietnamese pots, there's just much less opportunity for that to happen. The other thing to do is keep in mind how much water that's getting. If you're leaving that out in the elements, it's getting the rain, it's getting the snow. So the best thing to do, if you can, is to bring that pot under a covering, an overhang of some sort, so that you can control how much water is going into the pot. Another important thing to keep in mind with any kind of pot is that you always want to get it good drainage. We always recommend putting your pot on pot feet, anything to raise it up off the ground and give it a little bit of space. Don't have the bottom of the pot flush against a hard surface because that's just really going to impede the water from exiting the pot. We have so many great pots here. Come check it out.